This tutorial review will show you how to add widget to lock screen on iOS 17. To add widget to your lock screen, first of all open your lock screen. Then long press on your lock screen. Now you can customize your current lock screen, or you can create a new lock screen from here. To add a widget to your lock screen, tap on Add Widget, and now you can select any widget from this list. And to replace any widget, simply tap on the widget, and then you will be able to replace the widget. To change the time, tap on Time, and then you can change the time format, time font. From here you can change the time font width, you can change the color from here. Then tap on Add, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair, and that's how we can add widgets to lock screen iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.